Arrive in style with this 2015 Chrysler 200. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include front knee bolster airbag, 12-volt power outlets, 12-way power front seats, auxiliary audio input jack and USB port, Bluetooth connectivity, compass display, power door locks, power windows, premium Alpine 506-watt 10-speaker sound system and push-button start. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.